And howdy folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Forgot to put in my teeth again. I just got a mail call. Try to do this one-handed. Okay. Now, nice thing about this, using my secret Indiana Jones knife. If you watch the movies and read the books, you'll get a glimpse of it in all 4 movies. Some DVDs that are not director's cut will not show it. I'm going to do a whole video on this one. Now I got this from Amazon. I've been saving up points and sales and other things. Oh, this is huge. I'm going to do a video on it too. Alright. I got this Kukri Matchete from Cold Steel. Just like in, whatchamacallit, Fallout. We won't need that, but it would help if I had the edge up. Now, if you were what Uncle Alan used to do, if you're in a foreign country, you can pick these up fairly easy. Now, most people ignore it, except for London and Tokyo. Then it's a knife crime. And you get 5 to 10 years for it, which is kind of stupid. Okay? The little things people miss is this. Either you hold a toothpick or a tweezer. Or if you're in the know, a lockpick. Okay, got it out of the bag. And you can see this. I know it's made in China, but I'm going to do a separate video on it. Getting old, getting tired. Now, I did have some points, and I had some, this is nice. Ooh, and it's still got its coating. Yeah. Okay. Guess how much this cost me? Alright? It's in Dark Alley, and you see Uncle Alan has one of these. And you have whatever wonder knife, pocket knife, whatever. Who do you think's going to win? Alright, now, nice thing about this, it's a thickness I kind of like. I like it a little thicker, but for $5.33, that's all it cost me. I had to pull a lot of strings and points and prime, you know, to get that price. I wanted to do $2.41, but $5.33 is fine. You exceed the exact cost of this. Right there. Go look up on Cold Steel, Amazon, Google, whatever. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I used both hands. And like I said, this is Uncle Al. And then whatever, you got the little dinky thing in your hand. And okay, time to get reality check. Also makes a fine gardening tool and kitchen tool. Who wants some barbecue? Alright folks, remember, grow a garden, don't eat people. Rotate, stockpile, be a nice person. Learn how to process things, like cooking. Okay, and then, what the heck was it? Oh, get a bicycle. What's most people are afraid of? Uncle Alan's riding a bicycle and chasing you with us. Alright folks, I'll catch you later. You have a nice day. God bless and good luck. And remember, it's 2024 reality check time. And God bless and good luck. Bye now.